Dear GZ friends, today we'll prepare together the tastiest biscuits on earth. They will be soft, very fragrant, with a Nutella core that will explode in your mouth at the first bite. Nutellotti. Let's turn up the volume. What will we need? Nutella, egg, flour, and for filling and decorating, Nutella and chopped hazelnuts. Ready for the dough, a bowl. Go with the Nutella. Let's break an egg in. Flour. And then our hand mixer. You won't need a planetary mixer. Like this at first, to avoid disaster. And then we start it. Here we are. Our little bowl, plastic wrap. We're going to let it rest for about 20 minutes in the fridge, but I don't have time. I want my Nutellotti immediately. Here is the dough already rested. It's time to roll it into balls. Baking pan with the parchment paper. And let's go! This is the perfect time to keep the little ones busy. So smartphones off, turn off Wi-Fi and head straight to the kitchen to help Mum and Dad. Too strict? Come on, come help me. You too, come help Manu. Now with my friend, pointer finger, let's go and create a little dimple. The last dimple has been created, now we can fill it with, and the whole house echoes Nutella! Maybe. Right, pipe and bag, star nozzle. And now the crunchy part with a chopped hazelnut. Ready to bake at 170 degrees static for 10 minutes. Look how cute my cookies are. Now we can take our smartphone back and take a mega selfie. Now it's your turn to publish your photo on social media using the hashtag. Here are our Nutellotti. Our editorial team will share it on GialloZafferano official Facebook page. Nutellotti, this is my version. I'm waiting for yours.